Okay guys, so in this video, we'll be developing the orders page for this project. So the first thing which we'll be doing is to go to our orders page. So we have previously designed the orders page with HTML, CSS. Now we have to go to the file manager and let us go to INC folder. And I think there has been some error here. So let me again close all these files and folders and go to our control panel and then click on the logo so that we can find the option for going into our file manager. And now we can see the file manager icon here. I'll be clicking on that. And then I will have to go to public_HTML. And then I will have to go to Flutter app. And then I will have to go to INC folder. And here I have to check where have I written the orders body. So this is the orders body. I will just click on this page. And now I can see all the details here. So from this part, okay, so from the body part, we have to write some PHP programming. And we will delete, we will keep one row, all right? So let me go to the orders page. We will keep the first row and then we will delete all the other rows. So this is the first row and we will be deleting all the other rows. Now we have to write the PHP program for that. And for writing the PHP program, we will go to academy.vivodev.com and then we will move on to the block section. We have previously written the PHP CRUD function here. I will just click on this page and then I will select the read statement. I will simply copy the read statement from here and then I will paste it in our code editor, just above the first row. Okay, so select star from your table. So instead of select star from your table, we have to write select star from checkout. Instead of the table, here, your table, I have to write checkout. And then we will have to check the variables here. I will simply save this file and then I will reload the orders file so that I can see whether the things are working perfect or not. And I think there is some issue with the code. And let me go to this section. And I will then, here we have used a variable as $PDO. And then I will go to the database file and check what is the name of the variable which we have used. So here we have used $CONN. So here too, inside the INC folder, we have to use CONN as the variable instead of the variable called PDO. CONN. So that's all. Now I will save the file and go to the orders page once again. And I can now see this record. So instead of this record, now I have to modify the values. What are the things which we have to fetch here? The ID, CNAME, CMobile, CState, and CAddress. So here, let me write as ID and the row here will be the ID. And then let me copy this value and paste it here 2 or 3 times. After the ID, we need the customer name. So we will copy the customer name and paste it here. Then we will need the customer mobile number, CMobile, then CState and CAddress. CState and CAddress. Let me quickly create the variables. The address and CAddress. And then what we will be doing, here is the loop. So we will open the loop and we will keep the loop open. Okay, so here we have kept the loop open. And now I will write the PHP statement once again. And here I will paste the rest of the code. I will click on save file. And let me go to the dashboard. And if I just reload the page, I can see several records here. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have seen 8 records here since there are 8 records in the database file. Now what we will do, we will simply replace this values. Instead of the ID, here we will be writing PHP echo. Let me copy the same, since it will be same value, so we'll be copying, and so we will copy and paste it here. And now we will simply write the variables, name of the variables here. C name, and then here C underscore mobile, and then here C underscore state, and then here we will be writing C underscore address. Let me click on save file, and now if I just reload the page, I'll be able to see all the details which have been inserted into the database in our orders page. So this is all about how can we create the orders page of our project. In the next video, we'll be updating the status of this order, like the order has been shipped, the order has been delivered, the order has been confirmed, all right? And whatever may be the status of the order, we will display it on our Flutter application, creating a new screen called My Orders. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more updates.